Assalamu alaikum. Today we will learn how to make sentences and what are types of sentences. Before that, it's a request to you. Kindly subscribe my channel and don't forget to click on bell icon so that you can see my updated videos. Thank you. Let's start the video. So in grammar, sentence and clause structure, commonly known as sentence composition, is the classification of sentences on the number and kind of clauses in their synthetic structure. Such division is an element of traditional grammar. Topology of clauses. In standard English, sentences are composed of 5 clause patterns. Number 1. Subject plus verb, also called intransitive sentence. Example, she runs to the meeting. Number 2. Subject plus verb plus object, also called transitive sentence. Example, she runs the meeting. Number 3. Subject plus linking verb, like is, am, are. As subject complement, like adjective, noun, pronoun. Example, Abdul is happy. Jenny is a person. I am her. These three are different sentences in which subject plus linking verb is used. Number 4. Subject plus transitive verb plus indirect object plus direct object. Example, she made me a pie. This clause pattern is a derivative of subject, verb and object. Number 5. Subject plus transitive verb plus object plus object complement. Example, they made me happy. They did not make him and they did not make him happy, or they made him happy. The object and its complement made a synthetic unit. Sentences which are composed of these clauses in either dependent or independent form also have patterns as explained below. Dependent clause. Clause does not explain a complete thought and cannot stand on its own as a sentence. Example, Damian won't be able to play in the game because he injured his foot. In this sentence, because he injured his foot is a dependent clause. Independent clause. An independent clause is a group of words that contains a subject and a verb and expresses a complete thought. Example, Jim studied in a sweet shop for his chemistry quiz. We have learned how sentences are structured. Now let's learn different types of sentences. First type is simple sentence. A simple sentence structure contains one independent clause and no dependent clause. Example, I run. This simple sentence has one independent clause which contains one subject, that is I, and one verb, that is run. Second type is compound sentence. A compound sentence is composed of at least two independent clauses. It does not require a dependent clause. Example, I want the sporty red car, but I will lease the practical blue one. In the sentence above, the subject is I and the verbs are want, will, lease. The first half is a complete sentence because it contains the subject I and the verb want. The second half that comes after comma and coordinating conjunction is also a complete sentence with the subject I and verb will, lease. Third type of sentence is complex and compound complex sentence. A complex and compound complex sentence has one or more dependent clauses, also called subordinate clauses. Example, when I stepped out into the bright sunlight from the darkness of the movie house, I had only two things on my mind. This complex sentence contains an adverbial clause. When I stepped out into the bright sunlight from the darkness of movie house. The adverbial clause describes when and where the action of the main clause I had only two things on my mind